Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? Hope you're all well. Our lesson today about how to mentally calculate sums of two one-digit numbers and how to solve two-digit addition problems with and without regrouping, how to model regrouping using pictures or manipulatives. Okay, let's start together. Here, do you need to regroup to add? Do you need to regroup to add? Here, our first example is 35 plus 8. 35 plus 8. How many tens are in the 35 number? How many tens are there in 35 numbers? Great, there are 3 tens. Exactly, so I'll draw 3 tens here, or 3 bars, or 3 sticks, as you like. And how many ones in 35? Great, there are only 5 small squares. Plus 8. Are there any tens here? No, there is no tens. So I want to draw any sticks here. How many ones? There are 8 ones, so I'll draw 8 small squares in one space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's regroup here and make a 10. Let's regroup small squares here and make a big bar or a big stick here, like this. Okay, count 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So there will be 3 left here, and we made a 10, a new 10, a more 10. Okay, so instead of 3 tens, there will be 4 tens and 3 ones. The rest. Okay? Okay. Let's take another example here. 22 plus 5. 22 tens. 5. 22. 2 tens with 2 ones. Plus 5, 5 ones. There is no tens here. Okay, let's see, can we regroup it or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7, not a 10. So here you don't need to regroup, okay? Because there are 2 tens, 20, and 7 ones. There are 27. Okay. Find the sum, choose if you add with or without regrouping. Here, 36, let's represent it into tens and ones, bars and squares. 30, 1, 2, 3, bars. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 small squares. 7 here, there is no tens, but you will draw 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You will regroup it or not? Where do you regroup it? Regroup it. Where do you regroup it or not? Yes, of course. I regroup it. Let's regroup it together. Okay. Regroup it by make a 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the rest here will be 3, and there is no bar, or there is no stack here. So tens will be 4 and rest will be 3. Okay, so with regrouping or without regrouping? Of course with regrouping, because here we made a 10 and convert it into a board like it, okay? So here the whole number would be 43. Excellent. Next, 51 plus 12, 50. So I'll draw 5 boards or 5 tens. Okay. $51 plus 12. So here 51. Here are 1, 2, 3. 51 here, 3, 31, and here the other two, 50. Here I decompose it into two different numbers, 31 and 20. I decompose it into 31 and 20. And here, number 12, another one here in tens, and 2. So the whole number will be 63. 63. Here, regrouping or without regrouping? Yes, without regrouping, because we didn't make a 10. Okay? Okay, let's take another one. 49 plus 23. 40, we'll draw 4 tens here. 9 small squares. 2 tens because of 20. 3 small squares. So will you regroup it or don't, or won't regroup it? Of course we'll regroup it, because here we have more than 10. So count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is a 10, so I regroup it. 10 here, 10 squares convert into one bar, and the rest will be 2 small squares. So the result here will be 72. Next, 62 plus 16. 62, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 small squares, plus 16, a 10 and 6. Here, add tens together, there will be 7 and 8 small squares, 8 ones. So here we won't do any regrouping because we have number of ones less than 10. 25, so I'll draw 2 boards, 2 tens, and 5 small squares in ones. And 15, one stick or one bar, and 5 small squares. Then when you regroup it, 5 small squares and another 5 squares, there are 1 10. So here you will draw another or a new bar of 10. So tens will be 4 and ones will be 0. So here with regrouping. Another example, 55, 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, 13, 1 10, and 3 small squares. So when you regroup them, count if you find it 10, so regroup it. If you find it less than 10, so you can't regroup it, okay? Let's count them together. 5, 6, 7, 8. They are less than 10, so we can't regroup them. So the sum will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tens and 8 ones. The result will be 68. Now My dear students, study well and do your homework carefully. I'll miss you all. Bye bye.